Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at weekly update for the EV stocks. Some of them are NIO, KNDI, Nikola, Hyliion, Blink. So we'll be looking at this stock, how they performed last week, and where they can now go from here. We will look at their chart, and we can look at some of calls or a put depending upon the situation. So let's get started. As always, before we move on, please check out our website. All the informations are recorded out there, so you can find it anytime you want. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. So the first stock we're going to look at is NIO. So it is like added to the tracker when it was trading around $11.94, and as of today it's closed over $14.12 and posting almost 20% gain. So this is one of the stock performed really at least okay during this week. So let's look at this chart. So you guys are looking at the NIO chart. It's a weekly setting. I like the weekly setting because it eliminates a lot of daily noise. So as you look at here, it formed really made some headway today this week and posting almost 8% gain. So as of now, it's kind of a little bit at the top end of the range. So you may want to wait for the stock to pull back a little bit, or it clears this $15 resistance. So as of now, it is it can be a risky buy if you want to buy it, but compared with other EV stocks, it looks like a little bit lot healthier. So if it is retraced back to the $13 price range, probably you can consider looking into it. But as of now, the stock is now look a little bit extended. So I would not say buy this stock, but if you happen to have this stock, just hold it tight. And you can look at this November $16 or $17 call, and you may want this to pull back a little bit, because this is a kind of swing trading stock, so it might pull back. So when it pull backs, you can get into the call, jump in and out, and make quick 20 to 30% gain within a week. So the next stock we are going to is Nikola. It's added to the tracker when it was trading around $36.72, and as of this week, it closed around $39.37, and it was posting almost 8% gain. So it was almost 25% or 26 last week. So it gave up some of the gains during this week. So let's look at this chart. And if you guys watched my previous video, I was telling that it's going to run into resistance at this 10-week moving average. So it ran into resistance instead of clearing it. So it's came down quite a bit during this week. It's almost posted 15% gain he gave up during last week. So it's kind of a little bit oversold. The volume is not that explosive. This stock is still have a lot more upward potential. But I would wait until the stock retrace anywhere between 37 price range. It might very well come and test that level. So if it comes down, it might offer you some attractive buy point. So if it offers a secondary entry point, I will let you know. And if this stock pulls back next week, probably you may want to look at October 40 call. 45 is kind of steep, but you can do October 40 if it comes down a little bit more. Now it's trading very close to it. So if it comes around 38, 37, probably that call will be very attractive. So you can keep an eye on it. So next stock we're going to talk about is SHLL, that Hyliion's acquisition. So it is added to the tracker on 8/18 with enterprise of $26.60, and as of today it's closed around $29.91 and posting almost 12% gain. So let's look at this chart. So this stock now posted rock solid gains. As of now, this stock is well extended. So just wait for it. It's a wild swing trade stock, so it might come down a little bit or consolidate to this price level. So if and as it does, that you can look at this 35 call for October, or 30 or 35, but you want to know this to come down a little bit. So this is going to cool off a little bit, so it will offer you attractive swing trading options for October. So as of now, just to keep an eye on it. If it comes back, probably it will give you an attractive buy. So next stock we are talking about is KNDI Technologies. It's added to the tracker on 8/14, but 8/19 it got exited when it posted almost 12% loss. It was up, but it came down quite a bit and it got closed out. So you have to know, keep eye on the stop loss, $8.49. It priced below that, so it's got closed out. So let's wait for the stock now offer any secondary entry point or primary entry point in coming days. If and when it does, I will let you know. So if you look at the chart, it's kind of bottoming out around the $7 price range. So if at all it settles down here and consolidates and offer another entry point, that'd be great. So just keep eye on this 10-week moving average as well. Probably it might catch up with this price level at some point. At the time it might offer like attractive entry point. So as of now, the stop loss has got hit. So just set it out, get out, and wait for the stock settle itself. And if it presents another buying opportunity, we will get on it. So another stock is the BLNK. It was like up almost 70% when we added to the tracker right here. Then it got closed out this week with the 2% loss. So it's the sell-off is so high, heavy. I'm not sure this stock is going to recover anytime soon. Somebody filed a lawsuit, but the sell-off is so heavy. It even lost its 10-week moving average. So you may want to close the stock and wait for the stock consolidate around this price range. And probably if it offers another entry point, I will let you know. But as of now, this stock looks really weak. Okay guys, the NIO is still on the list, Nikola is still on the list, Hyliion is still on the list, but KANDI and BLNK is now dropped out. So we will see whether they're going to offer any entry point in coming days. So let's now stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching this quick video. It went a little bit longer than the 5 minute, but we had to cover some ground. So please check out our website. I will put all the tracker link in the description section so you can check it out. And please check out all our social media sites. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great weekend.